Okay, today's video is more of like an experiment, so follow me and we'll get this thing started.
This right here is your typical Costco chicken, at least after I've been picking at it. And I'm going to test a theory. Get some right there, right? Okay, no trickery. Follow me this way. Hey, buddy. Okay, this is the theory, all right? Oh, dang. There's more. Don't fight over it. Well, that's kind of gross. Don't get mad at me. I'm just a scientist. Ugly ass birds. I
think what we proved today is chicken are both nasty and delicious. I guess that's why they call them fowl.
Okay, stop already. Freaking wear it out, man.